I am Nigel O'Leary and I'm a Professor of Economics at Swansea University, and I'm also a co-director of Wizard. The research package that I am working on is Identity and Civic Divides in the UK. And in this package, we are interested in differential outcomes across identity groups and what might be referred to as marginalised groups within society. Much of the research is centred around three key identities: religious identity, sexual identity, and those who have a long-term limited illness or disability. This work has estimated the causal impact of same-sex relationship recognition policies across Europe upon political trust. And by political trust, I mean trust in the politicians, political parties and institutions. It is a well-established fact that political trust is declining in Europe. And policymakers are keen to improve the trust of citizens because this trust is important for economic and social growth, political participation, stability of democratic regimes, and a whole host of other important factors. In explaining these negative political trust gaps, scholars have linked this to discrimination and prejudice at both the institutional and interpersonal level. Policies that reduce stigma faced by minorities not only improve the institutional landscape for minorities, but also improve attitudes towards minorities themselves. As such, these policies are central to improving the political trust of minorities. Our results show that the same-sex relationship recognition policies have had a positive and significant impact on the political trust of sexual minorities, which in turn can have positive societal, legal, and economic benefits.